Hello students, welcome to Meetu Maths classes. Today we are going to start with class 11 chapter 1, that is sets. First of all, let us define sets. What do you mean by a set? A set is a collection of well-defined objects and they cannot change from person to person. For example, if I am going to tell you that write down a set of natural numbers, then you will write 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. If I am saying you that write down a set is denoted by capital letters, write down a set of all months in a year, then you will write January, February, March and so on till December. So this is the set of all months in a year and it does not change from person to person. So this is a set. So let us take some examples, that is question number 1 of exercise 1.1. Which of the following are sets? The first one is the collection of all months in a year beginning with J. अगर आपको कहा जाए कि J से स्टार्ट होने वाले सारे मंथ्स की कलेक्शन करो, then you will write a set containing first of all January, then June, then July, and it won't change from person to person. Everyone will say this answer only. So this is a set. Second, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. अब मोस्ट टैलेंटेड राइटर्स की जो डेफिनेशन है दैट कैन वेरी फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन, सो दिस इज नॉट अ सेट. अ टीम ऑफ 11 बेस्ट क्रिकेट बैट्समैन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. अब वर्ल्ड के बेस्ट क्रिकेट बैट्समैन कौन है? इट कैन वेरी फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन, सो दिस कलेक्शन इज ऑल्सो नॉट अ सेट. द कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल बॉयज़ इन योर क्लास. इफ़ एक क्लास जो होती है उस क्लास में आपके जो भी बॉयज़ हैं उनकी अगर कलेक्शन करने के लिए कहा जाए तो हर एक स्टूडेंट वही सेम बॉयज़ के नाम देगा. सो दिस वॉन्ट चेंज फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन, सो दिस इज़ अ सेट. द कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल नेचुरल नंबर्स लेस देन 100 से लेस 99 तक के, 1 से 99 तक के सारे नेचुरल नंबर्स इस सेट में आएंगे एंड दिस इज़ अ वेल डिफाइंड सेट. It won't change from person to person. A collection of novels written by मुंशी प्रेमचंद. अब मुंशी प्रेमचंद के जितने भी novels हैं उनकी अगर collection की जाए तो वो same ही रहेगी. So this is again a set. A collection of all even integers. आपके जो even integers हैं, integers का set आपका कैसे लिखा जाता है? Integer is an infinite set. 0, 1, 2. It can extended from here also, and -1, -2, it can be extendable to from here also. So this is the set of even set of integers, and if you have to write this collection of all even integers, तो even integers का जो set होगा that can be written as 0, 2, 4 so on, -2, -4, and this can be like this, and this won't vary from person to person, so this is again a set. Now the collection of questions in this chapter. अब आपकी इस बुक में, NCERT की बुक में, इस चैप्टर में जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हैं उनकी कलेक्शन कोई भी करेगा that will be same, so this is again a set. A collection of most dangerous animals of the world. अब जो आपके dangerous animals, most dangerous animal की जो डेफिनेशन है इट कैन वेरी फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट अ सेट. नाउ इफ अ सेट इज डिफाइंड एज 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then we can say that 1 is an element of A, and 1 is an element of A is written as 1 belongs to A. This is called belongs to. And suppose 7 is not an element of A, so 7, it is said that 7 does not belongs to A. This says does not belongs to. So you have to fill these filling the blanks. 5 Yes, 5 is an element of A, so 5 belongs to A. 8 is not an element of A, so 8 does not belongs to A. 0 is not an element of A, 0 does not belongs to A. 4 is an element of A, so 4 belongs to A. 2 is an element of A, 2 belongs to A. 10 does not belongs to A. Now, a set can be written in two ways. First one is set builder form, second is roster form. What is set builder form? If you can write a set as the definition of the element. A set contains element x and x where x is a natural number. This is the set builder form, and we can write down A in the roster form as x is an element where x is a natural number. So this is the set of all natural numbers. Now in the third question, we have to write the following sets in roster form. Your first set is A is a set such that x is an integer and x must be strictly greater than -3 and strictly less than 7. So your set A can be written as in roster form greater than -3. So -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Strictly less than 7, and x should be an integer also. Second, B is x. B contains x such that x is a natural number less than 6. So B is a set natural number but strict less than 6. So till 5. Third, C is a set x such that x is a 2-digit number such that the sum of digits is 8. तो C सेट को आप सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में सम ऑफ द डिजिट इज 8. अब 0 8 नहीं हो सकता आपका, वो 1 डिजिट नंबर बन जाएगा. सो फर्स्ट इज 17 1 7, सेकेंड इज 2 2 6 26. The sum of digit is 8 and it is a 2-digit number. Third one is 35, then 44, then 53, then 62 and then 71, and then your 80 can also be a number, 2-digit number where the sum of digits is 8. Now the next one is D is a set containing x. X is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. तो 60 के डिवाइजर्स वो वाले सारे ढूंढने हैं जो प्राइम नंबर्स हों. 1 is the divisor but 1 is not prime. 2 is a divisor, 2 is a prime number. 3 is a divisor, 3 itself is a prime number. Then 4 is a divisor but 4 is not prime. Then 5 is a divisor and 5 is a prime number. Then 6 is a divisor but 6 is not prime. Then next is 10 is a divisor, 10 is not prime. Then 15 is a divisor, 15 is also not prime. Then 20 is a divisor which is not prime. So then 30 is a divisor which is not prime. Then 60 is a divisor which is not prime. So these are the prime divisors of 60. Now the next one is E is the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. तो E के अंदर वो सारे आएंगे. सबसे पहले तो T, R, I, G, N, O, M, E. बट कोई भी सेट में रेपिटेशंस आर नॉट अलाउड. अगर रिपीट होगा कुछ तो आप उसे रेपिटेडली नहीं लिखेंगे. M, E, T. T ऑलरेडी आपका आ चुका है तो T यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू रिपीट इट. Then R has already come. Then Y. So this is the set of letters of trigonometry. Then finally F is the set of all letters of the word better. So your letters are set is B, E, T. T has already come. E, R. So this is the set of all letters of the word better. So students, I hope that you are enjoying studying with me. Keep watching my videos. Have a nice day. Goodbye.